Have you seen the viral yogurt detox drink that's taking social media by storm? People claim it can flush toxins, flatten your stomach, improve digestion, and give you more energy in just a few days. But is it really a miracle drink? Or is something else happening inside your body? The truth is, this yogurt mix won't magically detox your body overnight. But that doesn't mean it isn't incredibly healthy. In fact, each ingredient offers real, science-backed benefits that support digestion, gut health, and overall wellness. Let's take a closer look at what this popular recipe actually does. 1. Greek yogurt, the gut health superstar. The foundation of this drink is plain Greek yogurt, and it's the ingredient doing most of the heavy lifting. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, helping you stay full longer and making it easier to avoid unhealthy snacking. It's also packed with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut supports better digestion, strengthens the immune system, and helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. When your gut is functioning well, you naturally feel lighter, less bloated, and more energized. 2. Ginger, the natural digestive booster. Fresh ginger has been used for centuries to support digestion, and modern research confirms many of its benefits. Its active compounds help stimulate digestion, reduce nausea, and ease bloating after meals. While ginger doesn't burn fat or detox your body, it helps food move more efficiently through your digestive system, reducing that uncomfortable, heavy feeling many people experience after eating. It's a simple ingredient with powerful digestive benefits. 3. Spinach and cucumber. Nutrient-rich hydration. Spinach may not add much flavor, but it delivers an impressive amount of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. These nutrients support healthy digestion while helping protect your cells from oxidative stress. Cucumber complements it perfectly because it's over 90% water. Staying hydrated is one of the easiest ways to support your kidneys, digestion, and overall health. Together, these vegetables make this smoothie far more nutritious without adding many calories. 4. Banana, natural energy without the crash. Half a banana gives this drink natural sweetness while providing fiber and potassium. The fiber slows digestion, helping you stay full longer, while potassium supports healthy muscles, fluid balance, and normal blood pressure. Unlike processed sugars, the natural carbohydrates in bananas provide steady energy instead of the quick spike and crash that often leads to cravings. Combined with the protein in Greek yogurt, it creates a satisfying snack or breakfast that keeps you energized for longer. 5. Does this drink really detox your body? This is where the biggest myth needs to be cleared up. Your body already has its own detox system. Your liver and kidneys work around the clock to filter waste and remove harmful substances naturally. No smoothie or single food can replace that process. What this yogurt drink actually does is support those organs by providing protein, probiotics, fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and hydration. Rather than detoxifying your body itself, it gives your body the nutrients it needs to perform its natural cleansing functions more efficiently. That's a much healthier and more realistic way to think about detox. Conclusion. So, is the viral yogurt detox drink worth trying? Absolutely. Not because it's a miracle cure, but because it's packed with ingredients that genuinely support your gut, digestion, hydration, and overall health. Real wellness doesn't come from quick fixes. It comes from making simple, healthy choices consistently. This yogurt mix is one of those choices. It's easy to prepare, nutrient-rich, and can fit perfectly into a balanced lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video and want more science-backed nutrition tips that help you use food as medicine, be sure to subscribe to Optimal Cures and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And now we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried this viral yogurt drink, or are you planning to make it? Let us know in the comments below.